when you're close to me. Woo!
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Good morning, guys. Oh, it was a night. It wasn't much of a night. It was actually 3 o'clock until this morning, kind of a night. And the baby just, I don't know, it's like she was tossing and turning and couldn't settle. So at about 6:30 this morning, after waking up every 15 minutes or so, which she's never done, I had to call in for help. And thankfully Momo, was able to offer support to me this morning because I was so tired. At one point I felt like crying. No lie. Let me tell you something. Like tired lick, And you have to remember, like, it's just nights and nights and nights of months of disjointed sleep. So I was thinking in my bed, you cannot catch up on sleep. You can't get it back. It's just gone. You know what I mean? Anyway, and then of course I wake up to the children fighting, screaming, carrying on. And it just irks you and gets in your soul sometime. So I'm not having a great morning with them right now. Anyway. Hope you guys are having a better day than I am so far. I know my day will get better as it goes along. I'm literally just having some coffee. She's down for a nap. And taking on the rest of the day. Oh, you thought I forgot? I won't ever forget. I might forget sometimes. This hairstyle, it was a bun, but it's now a ponytail. When things come undone. When things come undone. I need to stop. What happened to you?
I just have my...
What? He just came in here crying, saying that Jackson thumped him in the belly. Now look at him. I tell you, it won't stop. It's just going on and on and on. They're literally running amok. In other news, here is Ivy Arrow in her cute little outfit, chewing her hands. She will not drink the rest of her milk, but she wants to chew her hands. Are we all ready for chew toys? Oh, mercy. Ozzy, let's go ahead and sing the birthday song. The morning song for Ivy. Come around here so you can sing it for her. Ready? You going to sing too?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Steady, go.
Good morning to you. Head out.
Come on, sing it. I'll sing it. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning,
Ivy's
good
birthday.
morning to
Is
you.
Ivy's birthday?
Nope, Ivy Arrow. It's
Ivy
just a
Arrow.
morning.
We got the tummy here.
Yes. What a sweetness. Oh, kiss the tummies. Oh. You'd never believe this is the same way where I get thousands and thousands of trouble. Look at all of those clothes that have to fold and pack away. Some of them have to get put up. Help me, Jesus. Hi. Hi. Really? You having a good day? Wow. Amazing. That's so great. You're wonderful. Yes, you are wonderful. You see all this talking? Hi. Hi. Yes, I'm so happy. Yes, it was a great night for you. Not a great night for mommy, but a great night for you. Yes. We're so happy you're here. Yes, we are. I love you so much. Can I have a kiss? A kiss? Mwah. 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 Mwah.
Good morning, Auntie Tessie.
Wait, don't catch me from that angle.
Angle the candle. Yes, that is it.
I mean, a pants, a shorts.
You been vlogging?
No way, these two have been mad at me. Ivy never sleep good last night. I'm tired.
So how if you see them nice moments here and now vlog them nice moments here, and you know the MTM family going to want to know and see these things, what's happening.
Jessie just took some of me talking to her, telling her how we're going to chat.
I love Rich.
I love it. They're testing out when I got chat people. But then I got chat.
Oh my God.
No,
Hi,
the
guys.
matter is strong with you this morning.
Which matter strong? It don't matter. Hear it name? It doesn't matter.
You have to get used to Auntie. I'm so sorry, baby.
Oh, too cool.
She's delicate.
Yes, Auntie have a very brawling. Yes, she vexed. Say, yeah, give it to Daddy. No, she have to get used to Tessie brawling laugh. Oh, my youth. I see nearly pop up. Gee. You alright? You alright, my guy? You alright, my guy? You alright, my guy? Don't hurt yourself, you know. Eh? Why? Why? Maybe drink a little coconut water, start the day off. You know what I'm saying? Alright, Shreps! I'm there worry about breakfast, you know. Tami, you couldn't tell me say fritters don't know what the whole life for yourself, you know. Wicked. Oi.
Watch the face. Tessie's our stylist, making sure her hair's in place for the shoot.
Watch Dungulungo, man.
I know.
Oh my goodness. She is a little fatty boom boom.
She is.
Look at her.
Hey, boom boom.
Remember when she just born, you know, it's a slim little thing, you know, and now she's full of rolls, you know. Right now, you can last all the $20 kind of them attire. Watch her. Oh my goodness. Wowie.
Tess, I have to show you some pictures when you took of me yesterday and Zayos. I mean, Ivy. I call her Zaya all the time, you know, Tess. Do you ever call Ivy
All
Zaya?
day.
And you're going to call the next baby? You're going to call next baby Ivy all the time. Or Zaya. Or Zaya.
Make me hold your hand. It's a long time, girl, we never see you. Come make me hold your hand. Feel like just now, sit up and treat up, pick up the blossom. Make me hold your hand, yeah. Make me hold your hand.
She love that.
Hey boy, my youth, you don't see your father pass you.
Look, I'm drawing, watching.
You watching drawing?
Yeah.
Oh, so my little creative, my little artist boy.
I already have an Erin drawing.
Is Erin that?
Oh, that's Armin.
Armin?
Rainier.
Rainier, I can't keep up.
Look at that face, Daddy.
Yeah, they're drawing.
Daddy.
He's drawing the face. She just take me in.
Oh,
That's
man.
so waving all morning.
Oh,
Hi, mommy, move. Hi, Ivy. Hi, Ivy. Oh, she's falling asleep in my arms.
she's tired. Let me take her in, baby.
If you jump while you're running, then you'll like do a jump.
Jackson, you get your laptop. No. You get your laptop for school and you find a way
It's because school's not here yet.
to play a game.
Yeah, and it's because school isn't like
Started it?
Yeah,
So you're just gonna pass the time by running some games?
yeah, basically.
So this is what, a 2-player game?
Yeah. Well,
Huh?
these games are 2-player.
Okay.
I put it on like the 2-player thing. Then there were a bunch of different 2-player games. Alex, remember you're still using the arrows.
And Ozzy, what about you?
This game is like a right.
What's up with you?
So Wait, I have
You come take over my TV. After me buy my TV for watch everybody else, I watch my TV and me can watch it.
got you.
You ever see my Dane trial?
Wayne went to get Jax a haircut. I can't talk too loud because if him here, we realize that they're gone. I'm doing a treatment in my hair as we speak because I'm gonna wash and blow dry it because we have that shoot tomorrow. And so yeah, Ivy's asleep and we are taking it easy on this quite rainy Sunday. I do have to make one stop. You smelling my coffee?
I smell it.
Smell good?
Yeah, I smell it.
I have to make a stop later to Fontana because one of the things I realize I really need is a clock in the baby's room. Because half the time I don't know what time it is and then I have to pull from my phone and then the bright light in my eyes, it wakes me up. You know the story. So I need to get a clock today. And there was something else. Oh, I have to get crayons and a sketch pad and some pencils for Atlas because he has been drawing up a... No. He has been... Don't climb on there, Baba. He has been drawing up a storm. I wonder if I can find some of it and show you in the meantime. Really want to encourage his artistic ability. It's really good. All right, so here it is. It's a little gruesome because it's Titans that he's drawing. But isn't it quite good?
It's the Titan.
It's the Titans. And look over here. Oh, I think these people are you know what. But yeah.
Could you be
I thought this was really quite good and he asked me for more. I'm not sure what this Titan is doing. He might be driving or something. I'm not sure. But I thought it was good.
Maya, look, that Titan is biting.
The Titan is biting. You see, you know better than me.
It's biting that fingernail.
Oh, okay, got it.
Mommy, where's the contour?
It's over there. Mommy, y'all. Mommy, y'all.
When we go to Devon House.
Devon House?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah. To get some ice cream.
You mean right up there, sir?
Yeah. I mean that would be the only place we're talking about. Why would the whole trip across the world just to get to Devon House when it's right like a few blocks away from us?
What about Tai Tai?
That's even better. That's even better. Go get Tai-Tai.
And we're actually right here.
No offense to Devon House.
No, it's the Devon House. Well, we're actually here.
Yeah. That's one of the reasons why.
Makes sense?
Yeah.
Alright, I think you guys behaved well in the barber shop.
Yeah.
And since you've been on the road, so
Look at me. Look at me.
I think you guys deserve a little treat. Alright, let's go, let's do it.
Let's go get Tai-Tai.
She's a lady who wants to be walking around, right?
Yes. Yeah. She don't like the static energy.
That's what I realized. Is that true? Is that true, Miss Ivy?
So Tami, you got to be here and stuff?
I haven't blow dried it yet.
You wash
Right.
and
I
the way you here long,
Yeah, it's over there.
man.
You're not asking what I'm doing here.
What are you doing here?
Our friends just popped by and she's the type of friend who's like, she's not coming empty-handed. So she brought me 3 beautiful white roses. So I'm just rolling the roses.
And it's not for you, it's for the baby.
Fine.
How
One second.
What this represent? The 3 months?
Ah, good one.
Thank you, honey. Thank you, honey.
You get smile?
This man, I got a beautiful smile about it.
Even though she's tired and it's time for her.
I know. And every time I come though, recently, I've been getting a good smile.
Yeah.
Of course, she gets her little walk around to
Yes,
Dempsey
and I get
then
my smile.
her smile. I'm hitting the easy button on dinner today. We're ordering pizza. So,
Pizza, them have to eat, sir. You know my style.
I do.
Guys, I'm so excited. You know I'm excited? I heard something today that is out of the historical archives of Tami's family. And it was a moment to relish. I don't know which treasure chest them dig this up from,
right?
but it's Tami's father singing.
There's one of mommy too.
There's one that,
Yeah.
what you say? I don't hear that one yet.
It's a recording of a live performance that they had back in 1989 at the Pegasus.
I was 9 years old. 89. That was 1 year after Gilberto in Jamaica just a recover.
I was 6.
Wow, bro. Listen, I don't know.
Shall we play it for them?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Let me see if I can get this on your phone. Are you connected to the car? Let's
I think so. Make sure just play it nice and loud. Make them hear the quality and the clarity in this man. And people in the comment section, please to big him up, because you know them check the comment section. Between him and Nana, them check comment section.
They do.
So people,
Oh, but look at this picture I just saw in the family chat. Oh,
big it up.
mommy. I sent it. It's so sweet.
The man voice smooth like a butter, you know.
All right, let's see if it will play. Always thinks that it's just mommy who could sing, and if I get that, or they don't know that daddy is a singer.
Listen,
so when you look at Tessie and
you would have to have two beautiful voices to make these great performers and these great voices. Like, it's just, yo, I never even know.
I don't even know that Mrs. Mama Mitch can sing too, by the way.
You know, them say the chip no fly far from the block.
Yeah. All right, this is Nana now. That's Nana. Silky.
In a restless room,
oh my God,
like this is, love is ended before it's begun, and the heavens, moonlight kisses.
We were probably at the show.
Seem to fade in the warmth of the sun.
the effect on the mic too. So you guys grew up watching two lovely voices,
they recorded songs
committed
and stuff,
performers, recording artists.
I wonder if I can find a song that them did actually record
no,
back in the day.
Water in my eye, her voice is heavenly, man.
Watch this. I'm going to show you
give them a round of applause. Come MTM family, let me hear you in the back too.
Alright, watch here.
This song goes out to all you guys. Your kisses are as sweet as candy.
No way.
By a million miles. Your kiss is sweet, as sweet as candy. But honey beats your kisses by a million miles.
Is that cover?
Your kiss is sweet, as sweet as candy. But honey beats your kisses by a million miles.
This was 1975.
But every day, when you left, you stayed too long. Might as well keep moving on and on and on and on and on and on. Your kiss is sweet,
Yeah,
as sweet as
they
candy.
did it though.
That nice,
They
man.
did it. That one's actually on YouTube. If you look up Christine, Your Kiss is Sweet, you'll hear Nana. My parents, them talented.
That is it.
You drawing?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, well, we got you some supplies. You want to see them?
What?
A sketch pad. So you have your own book to draw in now. And you can keep everything in here. You don't have to rip out the pages. And you have a pen, have pencils, pencil crayons, and crayons. What do you think?
Great.
And what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm gonna be
Thank you
alright.
for my spank you.
How do I open this?